Friends, hello, hope you are well. Let's talk about Fisker Automotive here. So obviously, this is a EV company that has been on the block for a while now. I remember when these guys came right on, but with Fisker right now being so cheap and being such an easy target for investors that are looking for something that could potentially have a big upside in 2024. Fisker is right there. Everyone's looking at it. Now, obviously, Fisker, the stock has been taking some damage, and there's a few different elements to look at here with this stock. The latest news to break with them is that the company announced this week, Monday, that Chief Accounting Officer Flores resigned effective November 14th. And that was the day after Fisker reported weaker than expected third quarterly. So he resigned or was told to leave. We don't know. We don't have the whole thing here. But their quarterly, the third one here that came out in November, was weaker than expected. Now, here's the thing where, we have to look at this and go, is it really that much of a shock? Are we really shocked about this? A lot of these EV companies right now are not doing great. Essentially, most of them are reporting low numbers. And this has been a thing with this whole EV gold rush here for the last 3-5 years now, is that there's so many of them at the buffet line. It's like, who's going to get what at this point? Because there's only so many people in the world that can buy vehicles, and they're all fighting for your attention. Fisker, this is a real EV company that has commercials, vehicles, plants. I mean, they're out there. They're selling vehicles. They are still very, very new when it comes to the market of EV cars. And it's really hard when you have so much competition, not to mention all the existing car companies that are now making EV vehicles, and then you have the top dog out there, Tesla. So it's kind of like, here's where, personally I look at Fisker. I go, okay, more than likely, this is going to keep taking a hit. I believe Fisker is probably, and listen, I'm not throwing knives at it at all. I am rooting for this company, this stock. I am rooting for it. So I'm not in here trying to make people mad and say bad things about it. This is not a video where I'm ripping it apart. This is a video where I go okay. Going into 2024, obviously right now, at the end of the year, we're going into December. More than likely, the market's going to start to fall apart here because people are going to be selling out of their stocks. They're going to be needing Christmas money. They're going to be selling things. They're going to be getting their tax year ready here, selling their bags, their goods, whatever. So the market in general will take a hit. January will suck. January always sucks in the market. February, it usually sucks too. And it's not until March, April where we really start to get things rolling again. Hopefully, but this is 2024, an election year, so we don't know what's going to happen right now. This is a pretty popular EV company so far, and they have done well in the market. But yes, they are reporting lower numbers. They're not reporting the best balance sheet right. And Fisker is going through some changes, obviously. Like I said, I don't know that this person resigned as much as they were let go. Who knows? They have been known to be a little more private than most EV companies out there. So, friends, here's what I will say. I am keeping a very close eye on this company and this stock. I do believe that more than likely it will keep bleeding here. Now, my concern, even at buying this at $2 right now with where we are in the year, is that I believe that this will bleed more down to $1.50, maybe even lower than that. And I know you're going, why would a car company keep bleeding that low? I think you need to look at a lot of things that are going on in the EV market right now. Look at Lucid. People were saying 2 years ago, and even I was drinking the juice, Lucid was going to be a $100 stock. It was going to be at least a $50 stock at minimum. That didn't happen. Rivian. People were saying Rivian was going to be like a $150, $200 stock by now. The car market, the EV market, it's not where people were expecting it to be. It's just not. people don't have money right now. People are not able to take these big rates. Fisker might keep reporting bad numbers. Let's be honest here. It might be a while before they start cleaning up. But as an investor, that is opportunity as well to swoop in and start buying up shares. Now, obviously the hope is that things don't get so bad to where we start talking about a reverse split. And yes, we are nowhere near a reverse split right now. I do believe Fisker is something that we need to keep our eyes on going into this new year. Friends, I wish you all the best of luck. Let me know what you think, what you're doing, and I will talk to you soon. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.